In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace and that everything has fully loaded. This helps avoid missing any menu options and makes the process smoother from the beginning. Next, go to the inventory section. In Zoho CRM, this is where you manage records related to products, sales, invoices, and purchase orders. Inside inventory, click on Purchase Orders. This will open the list of existing purchase orders, if there are any already created in your account. From here, click Create Purchase Order. This opens the purchase order form, where you'll enter all the necessary information for the order you want to create. The exact fields you see may vary slightly depending on how your Zoho CRM account is set up, but the main idea is the same. You'll want to carefully fill in the required details, such as the vendor or supplier information, the purchase order subject, billing and shipping details if needed, and any product line items connected to the order. As you complete the form, make sure the information is accurate. Double-check item quantities, pricing, and any dates included in the purchase order. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent errors later, especially if this purchase order will be used for inventory tracking or accounting purposes. If your form includes optional fields, you can fill those in as needed based on your company's workflow. Once everything has been entered and reviewed, click Save. Zoho CRM will then create the purchase order and store it in your records. After saving, you can usually open the record again to review it, make updates if needed, or continue to the next steps in your internal process. That's all it takes to create a purchase order in Zoho CRM. The key is to open your account. Go to Inventory, select Purchase Orders, click Create Purchase Order, enter the required details carefully, and then save the record. If you're doing this regularly, getting familiar with the layout of the form will make the process much faster over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.